How to upload high-quality video to YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to upload an HD or 4K without quality loss. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. From there, tap on Upload a Video. At this point, select the HD or 4K video you want to upload from your gallery. In the next step, tap Next once your video is selected. Following this, add a title, description, and any relevant tags for your video. Once done, tap Next again to move through the remaining upload steps. From here, choose your visibility setting, like public, unlisted, or private. At this stage, before finalizing, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi rather than mobile data, since large HD or 4K files can take a while and use significant data otherwise. Keep in mind, YouTube automatically processes and compresses your video after uploading, and it may take some time before the full 4K resolution option becomes available for viewers, especially right after uploading. Finally, tap Upload Video to publish, then check back later to confirm the highest quality resolution is fully processed and available. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload high-quality video to YouTube on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next